exponents. Exponents mean repeated multiplication. So if the exponent is on the outside of the parentheses, we can write the exponent on the numerator and the denominator. So let's go over this. So example 1, solve for the following. We have 3/4 raised to the second power. So we see that exponent of 2 is on the outside of the parentheses. So we can go ahead and place it on both the top number and the bottom number, or numerator and denominator. Now, when you see it like this, we are saying that we are multiplying the top 3 times 3, and then on the bottom 4 times 4. Or it could be rewritten as 3/4 times 3/4. This means the exact same thing. And so if we go ahead and multiply the top, or 3 times 3, either one, it's the same thing. We get 3 times 3, which is 9, and then 4 times 4, which is 16. So this would be our solution to this problem. Now, that goes to the same thing. Example 2. Solve for the following. We have 5/2 raised to the third power. So this 3 means we have 3 copies of this, and we're going to multiply them together. So when we look at this, we can write 5 to the third, 2 to the third. And then when we go ahead and start to multiply that out, we go 5 times 5 times 5 on the top. Then on the bottom, we have 3 2s. So we're going to go ahead and multiply. So we go ahead and multiply just the top together, and then we multiply just the bottom together. So 5 times 5 is 25, and 25 times 5 is 5 times 5 is 25, carry the 2. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 2 is 12. So we get 125 over 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. So we get 125 over 8 as our solution.